Exploring the world, understanding sightseeing spots. Hello everyone, in today's video, we're going to dive into the exciting world of travel and explore what sightseeing spots really mean. Whether you're planning your next vacation or just dreaming about exotic destinations, understanding this term is key to enjoying the wonders our planet has to offer. So, let's embark on this linguistic journey together. Sightseeing spots are more than just locations. They are the heart and soul of a tourist's journey. These are specific places of interest where people visit to see historical landmarks, natural wonders, or cultural highlights. From the majestic Eiffel Tower in Paris to the serene beaches of Bali, each sightseeing spot has its own unique charm and story. Sightseeing spots are not just markers on a map. They represent the identity and heritage of a place. They contribute significantly to our understanding of different cultures, histories, and the natural world. Moreover, these spots also play a crucial role in the local economy, as they attract tourists, creating jobs, and fostering community development. To truly appreciate sightseeing spots, it's important to 1. Plan ahead, research the spot you intend to visit. Know its significance, the best time to visit, and any entry requirements. 2. Respect local customs. Many sightseeing spots are also cultural or religious sites. Dress appropriately and follow any guidelines. 3. Capture memories. Take photos or keep a travel journal, but also take time to just soak in the beauty and significance of the spot. 4. Learn from locals. Engage with local guides or residents. Their insights can offer a deeper understanding of the spot's importance. Sightseeing spots are more than just destinations on a traveler's itinerary. They are gateways to understanding the diversity and richness of our world. We hope this video has ignited your curiosity and inspired you to explore and appreciate these wonderful places. Safe travels and happy sightseeing! See you in the next video.